Howdy everyone, Nimby here. Today we're going to be tying a moose tail mayfly. We're just going to tie the moose tail in and we'll trim off the waist. And for the wings, we're going to use a pair from a Grizzly rooster cape. The small ones up by the neck will work perfectly fine. After bringing our thread back to the tail, we'll add a little bit of dubbing wax and we'll add in some muskrat. Spinning that nice and tight, counterclockwise, we'll wrap it around the body all the way up to the base of the wings. And going around the wings, we'll do a little area there in the front where we're going to be wrapping our hackle. After selecting two hackle, one red and one grizzly, we'll tie them both in and we'll wrap them around the hook at the same time. Wrapping them around 2 to 3 wraps behind the wings and 2 to 3 wraps in front give us a nice bushy collar. And then we'll trim off our tag ends, clean up the head, and add some whip finishes. And the fly is pretty much done. We'll free the thread, clean it up a little bit, and add a little bit of head cement here to just stiffen it up a bit. And there you go, moose tail mayfly. Thanks for hanging out all.